Hello children, how are you all? Are you all good, healthy, active, energetic? I think you all are good, active. Hope you all are very fine, okay, with good health also. Because health is very important to us, isn't it children? If you want to do all work, if you want to play, you need what? You need to be active, we say. To be active, you want some energy, isn't it? You need energy to be active. From where does this energy comes from, children? From where you get this energy? You need energy to do all activities. If you want to study, if you want to play, if you want to do something, whatever, you need energy. Okay. From where we get this energy, children? Think and tell me, from where do we get this energy? Yes, and we get energy from the food we eat, isn't it? So we get energy from food, isn't it? So you eat daily, you eat food, drink clean water on time. So that's why you are getting energy to do all the work. Yes or no? Yes. Same like that, what you think about the source of food, or we say from where we get this food. Have you ever thought about that? You said, oh, I get energy from the food I eat, or we all get energy from the food we eat. Food, from where we will get food? From? You eat fruits daily, vegetables, then you drink milk, you eat egg, meat, etc. So these all things from where we are getting? From shop. Your parents will go and buy from the shop all this, and your mother cook food for you, like that you are getting this food. You think about fruits, apple, mango, orange. From where we are getting that from? Mango we get from mango tree, apple we get from apple tree. Tree means what? Plants, isn't it? Vegetables also plants, isn't it? So we can say we get food from plants. And what about milk, egg? Who gives us milk? Don't say milkman. From where milkman get the milk? From goat, buffalo, we get milk. Yes or no? Egg, chicken gives us egg, hen gives us egg, isn't it? So from animals also we are getting food. Okay children? So we get food from both plants and animals. So to do work, we should be so active. To be active, we need energy, full of energy we need. We get energy from the food we eat. Okay. And from where we are getting food? We get food from plants and animals. Okay. Then, from where plants get food? Have you ever thought about that? Do they prepare food? Do they make food? At home, your mother cook food for you, so tasty, so yummy, delicious food, isn't it? But what about plants? Do they prepare food by themselves, by their own? So, do plants prepare their own food by themselves? Think. Do they prepare their food? Food in the sense, suppose you need to plant something in your home. What you need? You need the seed of the plant. You will put, where you will put? In the soil, we say, isn't it? So plants need good soil. Then daily you will water the plants. Yes or no? So they need water. At the same time, they need light of the sun, or we say sunlight. Okay children? So Plants need all these things to grow. Then only plants grow. We need to water the plants. We have to seed them or plant them in a good soil. Then they should get good sunlight also. So these are the things plants need to grow. Then only they get energy like you. So we can say these are the food of plants. Okay, children. Now think about animals. What about animals? How they eat food or how they prepare food? Same like plants. Do they make food of their own? Do they make food? Animals, they go to kitchen. They will take a pan and they fry. Like that, animals will do. Do animals can prepare food? Yes or no? When you go out, children, you can see different kinds of animals around you, like cow, goat, cat, dog. Have you seen the food they eat here and there? You can see cow eating grass, isn't it? Dog eating bones or some, if it's street dogs I'm saying, if we throw some waste, they will come near that and they smell it and they will have that and all, isn't it? Means they are also eating, but they are not preparing food by their own. From wherever they get something, they eat. So that means, like plants, they are not preparing food by themselves, isn't it? Instead, they depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. Cow eating grass, isn't it? Cow eat grass, means cow is depending on plant, depends on grass. Directly it is eating what? Grass. Like that, plants are eaten by some animals like zebra. Zebra eat only plants. Then there are some animals that eat zebra. Lion eats zebra. Zebra eat plants. So that means some animals directly depend on plants for their food. They directly eat plant. But some animals indirectly. Indirectly means lion won't eat plants. But lion eat zebra. Zebra eat plants. That's why I said animals directly or indirectly depends on plants for their food. Okay, children? So we all live in things like plants, animals, we human beings, we all need food to eat, to stay healthy, to be active. Then only we get energy to do all the work. Okay. So today we are going to learn about food of animals, food for animals. That is our topic for today. Food for animals. As I said, animals depends directly or indirectly on plants for their food. Understood, children? So today our topic is food for animals. Yes, children. So what I told, to get energy we need food, isn't it? Food gives us energy to do all the work. Same like us, plants also need food. Soil, water, sunlight, plants need all these two things to grow. They are the foods of plants. Then what about animals? So plants prepare their own food, we can say. We will prepare food. Human beings prepare food. But animals, they cannot prepare food. They depend on plants directly or indirectly for food. So all living things in the earth, they need food to live, to get energy, to stay healthy, to live, to be active. Okay. So now today in detail we are going to learn about how animals are eating food or how animals depends on plants for the food. etc. Okay. So, as I said you, plants are eaten by some animals. Example, zebra. But zebra, lion, the king of the jungle, lion eats zebra. Then we can say what? Rabbits, rabbits, they fond of carrots. You know that? Rabbits fond of carrots means rabbits eat carrots. And there is an animal that eat rabbit. Fox eat rabbit. Rabbit is food for fox. Then again lion, the king of the jungle. Lion eat fox. So that's what I said. Animals directly depend on plants and some animals indirectly. They are eating rabbit which eat plants. That's why we said indirectly depends on plants. Some animals directly depends on plants, some animals indirectly depends on plants. Okay. Then grass. Some animals eat grass. We can say grasshopper. Grasshopper eat grass. Then frog eat grasshopper. Then snake eat frog. And last, what happens? Eagle. Eagle eats snake. So like that this is going on. Okay. Grasshopper eat grass. Frog eat grasshopper. Snake eat frog. Eagle eat snake. Like that each animal is food for another animals. Then only they can live. They also need food, no? Then only they will get energy. So like that this is going on. So you see children here, this arrow mark, it is like what? This is like a chain we can say, isn't it? A chain. It goes like a chain. This goes like a chain. So this chain is called nothing but food chain. Chain of food. Or we can say food chain of animals. Okay. So depending on their eating habits, animals eating habits, the way they eat food and all, depending on that, according to that eating habits of animals, we can divide animals into 3 categories, or we can divide animals into 3. Okay. You can see, before that, see the picture, children, you can see the picture of grass eating grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by frog. Frog is eaten, snake is eating frog. Eagle is eating snake. You can see the picture over here, isn't it, children? So this chain of food is called food chain. So we are going to learn this food chain in detail. How the way the animals eating food, their food habits. Okay. So as I said, according to the eating habits of animals, we can divide it into food habits of animals into 3. Okay. Eating habits of animals. We can divide into 3. The first one is herbivores. What is that, children? Herbivores. You know herba. Herba means, actually meaning is plant. Vorous means eater. That's why herbivores are called Plant eating animals. What is it, children? Plant eating animals. Okay. So, according to the eating habits of animals, the food they eat, we can divide them into three categories. The first one is herbivores. How it got its name, you know? Herba means plant. Vorus means eater. Plant eater. That's why herbivores are also called plant eating animals. So the animals that eat only plants, they are known as plant eating animals. So which are the animals that eat only plants? Just think and say. There are some animals that eat only plants. Example, cow, then zebra, sheep, goat, then cow, zebra, sheep, goat, giraffe. These are some animals that eat only plants. That's why they are known as plant eating animals or herbivores. As I said you, herba means plant, vorus means eater. That's why it is called plant eating animals. So the animals that eat only plants, they are called plant eating animals or herbivores. And the animals that eat only plants, they are cow, zebra, sheep, goat, giraffe, etc. These are the animals that eat only plants. Okay. Then what about other animals? Only you know these animals. We have many other animals, right? What about lion, tiger, dog, cat? What about them? What do they eat? Let's see. Okay. The animals that eat the flesh of other animals. That animals eat another animals. Okay. Or we can say the flesh of them. Those animals are known as nothing but carnivores. What is it? Carnivorous or carnivores. Okay. Here, you know, carn means animals. Vorous means eater. That is the reason they are known as flesh. Sorry, carns means flesh. Carns means flesh. Vorous means eater. That is why they are known as flesh eating animals. This carnivorous is also known as flesh eating animals. Why? Because those animals eat the flesh of other animals. You know that animal's name? Lion, tiger, dog, cat, etc. These are the animals eat the flesh of other animals. That's why they are known as flesh eating animals, or we can say carnivores. How this carnivores got its name? Carn means flesh, vorous means eater. So flesh eaters. Okay. So the animals that eat the flesh of other animals, or the animals that eat other animals, they are known as carnivores. And example for carnivores are lion, tiger, dog, cat, etc. Okay. So that's about herbivorous and carnivorous. Okay. So children, what about us, we human beings? do we eat only plants or do we eat only animals? Think. We eat vegetables, isn't it? Fruits. We get vegetables and fruits from plants, isn't it? What about egg, chicken, mutton, chicken biryani, isn't it? We eat chicken biryani, mutton biryani. We eat eggs, isn't it? We drink milk. So from animals we are getting all this, right? We eat fish, isn't it? So human beings eat fish. Human beings eat chicken, mutton. They eat vegetables. They eat fruits. So we eat both plants and animals. Like that we can say, right? We eat both plants and animals. Or we can say there are few animals that eat both plants and animals. They are known as omnivorous. Omnivorous. You know, omni means what? All. Vorous means plants. Sorry. Vorous means what? Eater. Omni means all. Vorous means everywhere. Vorous means eater. So all eater means we eat everything. We eat both plants and animals. That's why it is called omnivorous. Omnivorous means the animals that eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. They are known as omnivores. Examples. What are the examples? Bear, crow. These are the animals, even fish. These are the animals that eat both plants and animals. So they are known as omnivores. Okay. So we are also example for omnivores. Human beings or man, they are all examples of omnivores. Understood? So according to the eating habits of animals, the different foods animal eat, according to that we can divide them into three categories, three groups. The first group is herbivores. I told you herba means plant, vorous means eater. So plant eater means plant eating animals. The animals that eat only plants are called plant eating animals or herbivores. Examples: cow, zebra, giraffe, goat, sheep, etc. These are the animals that eat only plants. That's why they are called plant eating animals or herbivores. So there are some animals that eat other animals' flesh. So animals that eat the flesh of other animals, they are called carnivores. Carni means what? Flesh. Carn means flesh. Vorous means eater. So that's why it is called flesh eating animals. So which are the animals that eat the flesh of other animals, children? Animals like lion, tiger, dog, cat, etc. They eat the flesh of other animals. So they are known as carnivores. And there are few animals that eat both plants as well as animals. They are known as omnivores. Omni means all. Vorous means eater. So all eaters we say. So the animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Example: bear, crow, fish, etc. And we ourselves, we are also coming under which group? Omnivores. Okay children, understood?